Okie dokie, the world decided to shut up long enough for me to record that sound. I had to amplify it a bit because it was really kind of quiet. And the noise canceling thing on the phone is, yeah, working against me in this case. Yeah, so I amped it up and I'll put a clip on after this. Yeah, it's I have no idea how my radiator is even making this sound.